video is for my brothers. Any of you that's looking to marry, game to the same TK, and these are my technique. If you listen to me and yield to this technique, you will find a better one. If you go near Son is your name, you know travel past me. My job makes me travel. So I think I'm very qualified to give this advice. Avoid Igbo girls. Igbo girls are not great for marriage. I am an Igbo guy, and I'm telling you about our girls. This is not a guy trashing another guy. I'm trashing my own girls. Avoid Igbo girls. They are very greedy, unappreciative. Yes, you feel carry money, give Igbo girl now, not just bitch. And I may show him. This is what I can do. Then they behave like Black America. Nothing you give Black American girl is enough. They're very insulting. If you marry them keep for house, that's how they're going to insult your mama. They disrespect your mama. Is that what you want? Woman that brought you into this life. One heifer. All she fucking contribute is Murihu and now she thinks she qualified to insult my mother. They're full of themselves. They think they're better than everyone. They think that they be number one girls in the zoo. And they also over proud. They are industrialized. Igbo women are industrialized. They industrialize. Oneko, industrialized. You never hear Yoruba brag about her 3 shops or how you collectively Yoruba woman is industrialized. You never hear Hausa people do these things. It's always in the Nkani, always bragging about their industrialization. Especially the ones from Anambra. Them sabi make mouth. I wonder how a person is going to live with such braggadocious woman. I know this because I'm one of them. Stay away from Igbo girls of today. 99.99999% of Nigeria feminists are Igbo female. What is the gain of being a feminist? Are we white people? Why are we going towards white people? Person go America, spend 2 years for school, come back, enlightenment, enlightenment. All of a sudden, you are feminist because of 2 years degree, because of Ijra Labeke for 2 years. Now, all of us go become daughter. Oh, you both they do feminism, and like him in all of there. What's your name? Labeke. There's no benefit in marrying a feminist. Their mouth too sharp. Everything you do, you oppress me. Everything you do, you may will them. Why I want to live with a person when they complain, say, and they oppress her, what to do in Dimpa kusio wike, he may will them. Oyibo where they practice feminism. Now the same Oyibo is suffering from extinction. It will be clear in 40 years. You go see. There will be less and less and less white people. Feminism is destroying that society. Is that where you want us to end up? Extinct? When man no longer feel big, can you form or with you? I'm just showing them that to be why would I want to live with somebody big? Don't you know those are the side effects of feminism? Rich and lonely. Are the bottom of the list. Now, as the feminists in now walking on, hey, the green care. When you attack on neck here, feminist. When I know say man has ego, that ego needs to be stroked. Otherwise, can't be with you, man. Living with you is painful. But you don't know this thing. I will go 2 years, 3 years now New York or California. All of a sudden, we're gonna turn into white people. We're gonna become feminist society. Our girls will lay with anyone just to have the latest iPhone. They have no control. Our iPhone now.
Share this video. I'm coming.
They will lay with any couple for iPhone. If we hate you one year, overseas. Ghana, Italy. Number one Olosho is Zugirian. When I say Zugirians, I mean Igbo. Abuja, number one Olosho, Igbo girls. Yes. Eterem Toki Itiegu. Jeru, one of my hosts, Afiabo. Oh wow. Now his nickname, oh wow. Oh wow, they come my show. Carry one Pinocchio cute girl like that. It turns out say na Igbo girl. We are hanging out talking. Ma Joya. Where are you from? Osim Where you live for Lagos? Osim Badore. Meche kwa na enyi nwanyị ụwa ahụ. Amaghị m na ụwa ahụ suru ka m suru. Onye nara ọ pass ibie. Onye nara ọ pass ibie. Ngwa n'aka. Mwa wo bia si ali wo pụta Lagos, si Lagos nwa Turkey ere ọhụ. And Igbo guys know onye buo obigi ibie buo obiga. Hey! Ngwa n'aka. Ịpụta afụ ha na social media fa na-eme enye gị chekwa na o nwere ihe ụjọ dị isi Igbo girls ịpa ịmara na ọkụ ka a na-ere n'obodo oyibo fa ncha niile nọ Dubai na sex them they sell useless piece of shit. All these Igbo girls wey you see for Ghana na sex them they sell. Anybody wey come from Libya is definitely selling sex. Yes. Which money are you making in Libya? Libya that doesn't even have a country, that doesn't even have a government. War-torn country. Libya is full of Arab. Arab looks down on Blackie. So how you won't convince me, say you go Libya and wrong? And yet Libya or
I'm coming.
Arabs are racist. So I'm no again and we're on and then do onoji. Hapụ nwaanyị Arab. Ọtọ ka ị na-ere na Arab. Ọtọ ka ị na-ere na Libya. Umuri ihe nọ na Libya. Any Igbo girl sị ya jere Libya na-ere ọhụ. That's why I tell you guys. It gets why. Achọbe eme ịlụ onye ma nwa lụ onye fegoro plan. I don't talk and well. Ma nwa lụ onye sigoro Nigeria pụọ. Kedu ife ị na-arụ outside Nigeria? Ọwụ ha ọtọ ka ị na-ere. I don't travel well. Everybody looks down. Anybody saying ya jego Libya, alokwalea. Or saying ya jego alabeke, we po bigye born, onya na wrong, unless you are natural born saint, always settling and settling. Eh? Chairman hotelier nacha wajo spam. Oh young geek.
Share this video. I'm coming.
I'm not wearing Giora before I'm not wearing Giora. I will never take you back. You understand me? I'm not a simp. It be making 3 rooms and parlor. Mama, I am comfortable by myself. That makes me a very dangerous man to one door. Because I am a young man to be good. So you have no power over me. In Allah, good luck. Take it from me. There is no benefit in marrying an Igbo girl these days. I asked my mama, what is the benefit? Why you an Igbo? Or some so fuck that. That's not enough. That's not enough. They are terrible. That's not enough. I can end up with Onyo Kuzeri Igbo. I don't have to deal with you. If we hand outside Igbo girls, outside Nigeria, I say, come dumpster, come even in America, even in America, Texas, Georgia, it's an all forget. All the does not mean everybody want to walk. They are natural lazy bums. In Agatha? Yes. So no, it doesn't mean everybody want to walk. Yes, Georgia, Texas, California, myself, Celestina, one year working at you, I shall can end and kill what he on our way, elderly white men who will they are very dangerous to marry these days because a good boy at all into
share this video. I'm coming.
Yes. Now you under high tension. And equally you went or say double your hustle wall. Okuanya show. So you no leave this country where you tell me hustle more. Which opportunity they here? Mwa kwakata ntumoke or more wegan no more job. Obido biwen dojo or pika. Yes. Bido meto one hinde maraka just to please a useless bitch. Anybody for the latest into Twisi, I know them. Hagana any inkaku for the latest iPhone. Language is not enough for a lifetime of disrespect and uselessness.
Share this video. I'm coming.